Wow, are you calling me funny?
You're kind of funny.
Oh, kinda.
Okay, how about I dedicate a whole video on just our Valorant duo game.
Oh, just me saying that's crazy over and over. That's crazy. 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 Themselves, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
No,
Imagine.
you sound like her. You sound like Yay.
What?
Huh?
Wait, can you both say huh?
Huh?
The clapping of my ass cheeks keeps alerting the guards.
Yeah, fuck off. Don't even say anything. Don't even say anything about that.
Hey, you suck.
Wait,
Yeah,
there's
but
one
Chamber
guy.
was here.
There's one Chamber. Yeah, he's here.
Up. Oh. Huh?
One enemy remaining.
I guess that was cool.
I guess that was cool, man. Shut up. You look like a donkey.
What?
Fuck. You're so stressful sometimes. Oh my god.
What?
You're such a stressful
Wow.
human being. I swear to God.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, wow.
I don't
That's
think
all you can
I've been
say.
told anything so offensive as that. Yes, I would.
Are you gonna like
Nice job. You fucking
tell?
done.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up, Dean! Shut up!
Come on, Yay.
Me and Inu met through.
Are you really an Ulu girl?
That.
Jesus Christ, that scared me a little bit.
Yeah. God.
Oh my.
My ears.
My
Can
fucking.
y'all stop screaming?
There's a mute button, but
You're getting shot. Why would you just stare at me? No.
Yay. Jesus Christ.
Oh fuck, you've gotta be kidding me! What the fuck?! What the f-
Yay? Oh. We're done. And he's gonna shoot for a shorty within that range. Oh, yeah. And he's gonna go into the grenade? What is this game?
It is part of my vocabulary. What the
That
fuck?
was so loud, Jesus. That was louder than you.
What? Okay.
Every time.
Spike down A.
Okay, this guy's getting fucking muted.
Oh,
She
I
was,
lied!
she was there. That scared the shit out of me. Heart attack. Heart attack at the age of 20. Fuck. But it's okay, you can point it out yourself. Oh, he fucking...
Oh.
Player standing.
He up-fragged me. Up-fragged me.
What?
He he's above me now. Fuck off. Come on.
He whiffed all the shots, what do you expect? He's planting B.
Interesting. Guess I'll go around.
Slowly takes a step back.
Why are you judging everything? Fuck.
I was already social today. I went to the con and shit, so you know.
I don't care.
Yeah, I know you don't. I'm like telling you anyway, because I like to waste your time, you know?
Wow, you're such a intuitive person.
You're doing great so far. Keep it up.
Fuck off. Fighting?
Me fighting? I would win. It wouldn't be a very good show. I'm afraid.
What? No.
Yeah.
it can't be that bad.
Okay, if you're so confident, then why don't I have a handicap and use like a baseball bat while you use your
I'd still probably win with like a hand tied behind my back. Like, Dean, I'm
Okay,
sorry, bestie.
narcissist. Sleep on.
Where the fuck did Jack come from? That's crazy compilation.
Yeah.
What the
How?
fuck am I watching?
How? How are you guys actually killing?
Oh god, what are you?
He was there the whole time?
You didn't check your corners!
You didn't check your corners!
You walked in for me! doing?
You didn't check your corners either, though.
I was on 8 health!
Fuck you, yeah.
What? What did I do?
You make me blush. Ooh.
What? What the hell?
That's great.
What did I just hear?
You heard cringe.
It's cause I'm black, right?
What?
Oh, listen, look at that. You should probably go to bed.
I should, but I won't.
You should.
Yeah.
That's true.
But I won't.
Damn.
Damn.
Okay.
What's both sound the same?
It's too close for comfort.
You want me to be close for comfort?
I know that I am by your side.
Excuse me?
Sage, can I get a drop?
Need a drop.